I've had a question around due dates. As you know, you go to the left-hand menu, you click Start from here, and you have the syllabus. I've just gone in and highlighted a few things, changed the look for it. You have 2 team research papers. I give description here on the points. I tell you where to go to get the description. I've just released a video about the first team research paper. You could start now if you wanted, but it's due September 30. You do have a paper, a quiz on the instructions, due a little bit later, a few days later, Wednesday, not Sunday, to be sure that everybody's aligned. If you've got questions, this is the time to ask. Then really, there's not a lot more you have to submit. You have your resume to submit after the Career Services has reviewed it. I know many of you as working adults probably already have a resume, but it wouldn't hurt if you submitted it to them. There is a LinkedIn requirement. Many of you probably already have a LinkedIn. And the materials I provide over on the tab on reports, presentations, etc. does have information on LinkedIn. Then you have a second research paper. And at the end, you have a narrated slide deck, which is basically supporting a summary of what's in your report. There is one activity called LinkedIn Case Study, which I think is kind of cool. And it covers persuasive, routine, and negative messages. You have your weekly yellow dig, which is how you can form up your teams. And I'll be sending out a note soon on where to do and how to do. And then you have a take-home comprehensive exam. The due dates are in the syllabus. Thank you.